So the reverse Nordic exercise is a popular bodyweight exercise for working the quad muscles. It can also help to improve knee stability, flexibility, and overall lower body strength. It's particularly useful for people who spend a lot of time sitting, as it helps to counteract some of the tightness that develops in those hip flexors. So to start, we're going to kneel on a soft surface like a mat with our knees about shoulder width apart or hip width apart, and the tops of our feet are flat against the ground. The movement, we're going to slowly lean back while keeping our hips extended, so don't let them bend. Your goal is to move your hips and shoulders back as one single unit, bending only at your knees. Go as far back as you can control, feeling the tension build in your quad. And to return, we're going to squeeze our quads and use them to pull ourselves back up to that upright position. And pro tip, make sure you keep your abs engaged during the movement to protect your lower back. This is a challenging exercise, and again, only go as far back as you can go while maintaining control.